Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hello guys, welcome again in my another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert a PDF file to Microsoft Word file. It's really easy to convert your PDF file to MS Word file by using a method which I'm gonna explain. So what you need to do in order to convert your PDF file to Word file. So that's for just open a browser, which one your favorite. And here search for PDF online. So here you will get some websites. Scroll down and open this link from pdfonline.com. And in here you will able to convert PDF to Word and Word to PDF. Here you will get two options. First one is PDF to Word converter and second one is Word to PDF. Here already selected PDF to Word, and today's video topic is how to convert PDF to Word. So I will use this first option. Make sure you have selected PDF to Word before upload your file. Okay, now upload your PDF file here. Just click on upload file to convert and select your PDF file which one you want to convert. So it will take some time for upload your PDF file. Okay, wait some time for it. And finally our Microsoft Word file is ready. So here just click on download to download your file. And once more step again click on download Word file. And our file start to download. Now if I open it. And here enable editing for make it editable. And as you can see here we have successfully converted our PDF file into Word file. So it was the only method to convert a PDF file. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.